Imagine you're a professional excavator with several projects across the county. Before you can start digging, you need to confirm that every utility member on your dig ticket has responded. Now, how frustrating would it be to drive 2 hours to a site only to find that 4 out of the 5 members have marked the area? That's the frustration electronic positive response helps to avoid. Electronic positive response is a centralized digital system where members communicate how they've responded to an excavator's dig ticket, saving time and providing clarity. It's legally required for every member to log a response into the electronic positive response system. This makes it crucial for your organization to provide accurate, up-to-date responses in the system, ensuring excavators know the status of their tickets. To assign response codes in the Damage Prevention portal, click on Operations, then Positive Response. Here, you'll see a list of tickets your organization has received. If you manage multiple station codes, make sure to select the appropriate ones at the top. To view tickets that still need a response, filter by Unassigned in the Response Code dropdown. You can also search tickets by various criteria using the Search By field. To assign a response code to a single ticket, click on the ticket to open the response window. The full ticket details will be on the left for easy verification, and you can click Additional Details to view the dig site polygon. In the Response Code dropdown, select the appropriate responses. For example, if your locator has marked the area, choose 010 Locate Area Marked. You can add notes to your staff or the excavator before you assign the response. You can make the note visible to the excavator by checking this box. Then click Assign Response Code to finalize. If your organization uses a ticket management system, or TMS, you will assign your electronic positive responses through your TMS platform instead of the Damage Prevention portal. You should check with your TMS vendor to confirm that your responses are being sent successfully to our center. Remember, assigning a code communicates how you've already responded to the ticket, so choose the correct code after completing the action. You can also assign the same response code to multiple tickets at once. Simply check the boxes next to each ticket, click Assign Response Code, and choose the appropriate code. For instance, if you don't own any utilities in the area, select 001 Clear No Conflict. Then provide a brief note and click Assign Response Code. In both California and Nevada, utility members are required to respond in one of 3 ways before the legal start date and time of excavation. Mark the location of the underground lines within the excavation area, provide information to the excavator about the location of your line, such as maps, notify the excavator that you do not own or operate utilities in the area, also known as Clear No Conflict.